Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on list view to view your projects on DaVinci Resolve 19. Currently here when you open up DaVinci Resolve 19 guys, or DaVinci Resolve in general, you will see that by default you have this, let's say, tile view, right? But what if you want to view this in like list view and you're working with multiple projects, so it's maybe much easier to scroll and to read it in a different way. So in order to switch this, you want to go to the upper right hand side. You have a search, you also have the list view, and you also have the tile view, so you can switch between the two. So this is the list view, and you can switch and you can see folders and other projects here, and you can scroll and it might be easier to search like that. And on top of that, you can also click on the tile view or the thumbnail view, so you can simply go ahead and click on that, and you can view thumbnail view just like this. And with the thumbnail view, you can always change the size, right? It's up to you. So with a thumbnail view, you can change the size because you get the option available here once you're in the thumbnail view. But otherwise, if you want to use the list view, you can select that. And that's it. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.